Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Oracle VBCS sessions. So in this session, we are going to learn how to invoke OIC REST service from the VBCS, and also we are going to create a simple search page. Okay, let's get into the topic. Okay, so as a part of this session, I have created one REST service where we are going to fetch the supplier details based on the supplier ID. Okay, using that service we are going to create a VBCS search page. Okay, for this demonstration I have created a REST service which will pass the supplier ID as a parameter, and it will give the response of the all the supplier details. Okay, so let me trigger this integration so that we can use in the VBCS page. Okay, let me run this integration. So this is the supplier ID which we are going to pass for this REST service. Okay, click and run. Okay, these are the details which you are going to use in the VBCS page. Okay, so we are going to use these details in the search page. Okay, let's connect to the VBCS application. Okay, I have created a simple application. Within the application, I have configured the OIC REST service. Okay, so if you want to enable the REST service, you have to go here and create a new service. Okay, click on plus. Okay, you can select either service connection or backend connection. Go to the service connection. Either you can pick from the select from the catalog or define by endpoint. Okay. So for the demonstration purpose, this is the REST service which I configured, and we can use in the VBCS page. Okay. Okay. Then let's go to here. Okay. Click on plus. I'm going to give the name as Smart Search Page. Okay. Click on create. Okay. The moment you click on the create, it will navigate to the application page. Okay, this is the code of this page. Okay, so this is the live mode. Okay, so here you can see the one slot template here. Okay, so what you can do, so we are going to add one input text box here. Okay, just you have to go to the component. Okay, let me search with the input component. Okay, so based on the input variable, we are going to trigger the REST service, and we are going to get the supplier details, right? So I'm going to add input search parameter in this slot template. Okay, so once you add the input parameter here, then you have to go to the data. Okay, I'm going to bind this slot to one variable. Okay, so within the data you are going to create a variable. Okay, where okay search input. Okay, type you can give the string. Okay, so go to the general. So if you want to give any placeholder, you can give that. Enter. Okay, supplier ID. Okay, just you can give some indication. Here you can see you can select the option what kind of styling you are expecting from this space. Okay, either medium. Okay, you can go for the medium. Either you go for the small. Okay, or you can anything you can choose it. Okay, so once you enable this one, then what you can do, now we are going based on this input variable, we have to derive the supplier details. Okay, so already we have created REST service. Okay, so we are going to use this. Okay, so what we are going to do, go to the application again. Okay, here I am going to data under components. You can see the data. Okay, you to connect to the services. Okay, So within the services, you can see this one, get one. This is our service. Okay. Let me drag and drop here. So render, as I'm going to select the details. Okay. So whatever the fields you want to display on the page, just you have to select it. Supplier, ID, supplier, supplier number, status, supplier type, organization type code, business relationship. Okay. Click on here, next. Okay. So this is the right side, you can see the URL parameters. Here you can left side, you can see the input variables. Okay. You have to drag and drop to the where input to your variable in the REST service. Okay. This is the text input variable. This is the variable in the your REST service. Okay. Click on finish. Okay. After that, you want to make any look and feel cosmetics changes, you have to go here and you can make the changes accordingly as per the requirements. So here instead of main, I am going to change the supplier. Okay, sets. Okay. So whatever the details you are going to modify at the code level, automatically it will update in the your design. Okay. Now I am going to run this page. Okay. Let me get this page. Now I am going to search with the supplier ID. Based on the supplier ID, I'm going to get the details. Okay. Either you can use the search option, either click on the enter. Okay. See, this is the list of details. Okay. The moment you submit the request, automatically our integration get triggered. The details are rendered on the our UI page. Okay. This is the way how we can call the OIC REST service from the VBS. Okay. I hope you understood this session. So I'm going to come up with the new sessions for the VBCS.